Alright, so in this tutorial we're gonna talk about if can you play Faceit without Prime, and I'm gonna easily explain it to you how it works. So um, in order to say it directly, yes, you can play Faceit without Prime, and Faceit is its own competition platform. So having CS2 or CSGO Prime on Steam is not strictly required just to join and play matches. So there is a new 2025 update, and new rules mean some new accounts now require CS2 Prime to link and queue on the Faceit. If your Steam account doesn't have Prime and you're cheating, creating a brand new account, you might get blocked, and you'll have to get Prime. So yeah, older Faceit accounts could play without Prime. So generally, Faceit doesn't force Prime status for all players, but new signups may be required to have Prime before playing. So yes, but new accounts usually need Prime now. So that is it for the explanation. So I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.